is located right in the city center, precisely on the Laksamana Matradinata Street, the oldest city Malang. The position of this temple is adjacent to Pasar Besar, one of the famous shopping tourist destinations in this city. This temple itself turns out to have an extraordinary historical record, because apart from being one of the oldest temples in Malang, it's also a historical relic of the seventh generation of the Ming dynasty. This historic building has an appeal that can be seen from the distinctive structure of the building. When arriving at the pagoda area, visitors will be greeted by a tall gate with a striking color different from other buildings world. Besides being a place of worship, this pagoda is also a center for China's cultural activities in the city of Malang.
The oldest Kiong temple in Malang. If you look at the structure of the building, which is still solid, visitors will not think that the age of this building is 1960 years. This is what makes this area a cultural heritage. This temple was reportedly founded in 1835 by Klenteng Queen Sampuai. The seven descendants of the general in the Ming Dynasty China. The structure and shape of this pagoda building at first glance is similar to building in China, complete with tall pillars and distinctive ornament. In addition to its distinctive building structure, this place is also known as the Tridharma Temple. This means it can be used as a place of worship for three different religions, namely Buddhism, Taoism, and Confucianism. The diversity of culture and religion in this pagoda is one of the unique things that attract the attention of visitors who come. You can see three different religion rituals in one place. The name Kiong itself has a fairly deep meaning, namely the place of eternal salvation.
Bote puppet is one of the typical arts from China, made of cloth and moved by hand. When you come to the Kiong temple, you can see the area that usually used for this show. Feels like watching a puppet show. One of the rituals that often attracts people's attention is the earth ceremony as an activity of praying to ancestors. The tradition from China is routinely held every 7th day of the 15th lunar month. In China, that month there was a great famine. They always pray that the earth will not be famine. Then there is the Chapkome ceremony. It symbolizes the 15th and last day of the Lunar New Year celebration for Chinese people around the world. This term comes from the Hokkien dialect and literally means the 15th day of the first month. In this tradition, the Kiong temple provides a dish containing rice cake, chicken, egg, and bamboo shoot. The whole community can freely eat a meal for free. The judge need queue to wait for their turn to get chap lontong.
Besides being able to feel the nuance of the building which is full of harmony, at an Kiong temple, they can also learn about to live in harmony and peace.
Even talks to come from different religions, business, and background.